Welcome back, my fellow plastic benders, to 3D pen crafts made easy. My name is DK, and today we will craft our next Pokemon called Latias. I find Latias a really cool and cute looking Pokemon with a glider wings. Enjoy! Suggestions, questions and requests are all much appreciated in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to reply and perhaps follow it up in future content. If this seems to be the channel that you would enjoy, please consider a like, share and subscribe, and join me in making some fun crafts. Thanks for watching and happy bending everyone!